Hello everyone, trying to make pancakes here.
Yeah, for breakfast, and I have my dry ingredients here: flour, baking powder, salt, and I have my wet ingredients here. Egg, milk, flavor. So I'm supposed to use vanilla flavor, but I don't have it, so I'm using milk flavor. It's very, very natural. So I have my milk here too. I have my sugar here too. I'm going to combine the two things together now. And when I'm done, I'm going to get to frying this way. So we're going to make it well. Something the doctors say in different, so make it well in the middle. English. Then mix. Alright, let's go. So I'm going to pour and try and mix them together. So more. Now you see my pancake mix. Looking all juice. So this is the frying method, the frying aspect, whichever you want to do. So why you want to fry or make your pancake? Don't fry it on high heat. Make sure it's on low heat. Like this, blue flame. So a lot of people like using butter, but I don't have butter to do. So I'm going to use oil. So just dab it around the pan. Don't add too much. You don't want our pancake coming out between last also and oily too. So yeah, there we go. Just a little brush there. Okay. All of you that like breakfast in bed, see the hard work. So I always appreciate my pan to be heated though, but let's try.